name is Tocino, and I'm an event MC.
Yeah, okay guys, so today is leg 2, day 1 of the Toy Kingdom fun meet and greet with the Dodo. So now, just like last time, we're on our way to, this time hindi na SM North EDSA kasi yung leg 1 sa SM North EDSA. Now we're going to Mall of Asia. Ayan. So yun. So we're on our way, nandito na kami sa MCX. So alam niyo na taga-South kami, di ba? Ayan. So yun. Nabiyahe na kami and we'll keep you guys posted. Mamaya na doon na kami sa MOA. Let's go.
If there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be there.
Parang yung mga tao ngayon, parang sanay na sila na meron nagbi-video, tapos may kumukuha. Dati di ba parang people look at you, pero ngayon parang casual na lang sa kanila. Sa dami ng vloggers sa Pilipinas. So, today, just like what we said, dito na sa Mall of Asia. This is the leg 2, second leg of day 1 dito sa Mall of Asia. Tapos nakita nyo kayo na dami mga cosplayers. Kasi there's an event. Pero, we're not going there because we're going to Toy Kingdom. Yun. So, ang call time natin is 12. It's already 12:30. Not a good example, pero it's 1:30 naman yung trabaho ko start. So, I think we should eat first a little.
And I'm still on my way, closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking.
Hi guys! So, we're here at the Mall of Asia. Ayan. Nandito tayo sa Mall of Asia right now. This is the second leg. Day 1, okay? I think sa Mall of Asia tayo. And this is very special to me kasi this is where I do the last live, okay? The last Lazada live I did was in their store. Kaya yun. Tapos mapapansin nyo nakasalamin tayo ngayon. Kasi for the kulite, may kuliti tayo ngayon eh. So kailangan natin takban. So kunyari wala. Diba gano'n? Tapos mamaya, kailangan ko maglinis ng kuko kasi nakalimutan ko sa bahay. So mamaya gagawin muna natin yon, pero it's just 12:30. This is supposed to start at 2 o'clock. So we still have time. So baka maghanap muna kami ng chicha, ng food muna. And magbabasa ng konting script, okay? So please stand by mamaya. Mamaya pakikita nyo lahat ng mga bata nandito. Right here, nandito sila lahat, okay? Tapos, I'll be up on the stage to do the activities for today. This is gonna run until 5 o'clock or something, I don't know. Minsan 6 o'clock, depende sa dami ng kids because we're gonna meet the Dodos today, just like what we did in SM North EDSA, okay? So we're gonna do the Dodos, we're gonna meet the Dodos today, and then we're gonna have so much fun, I swear. And of course, this event is made possible by Toy Kingdom, the amazing toy store, and also, PLAYDOH, in cooperation with PLAYDOH, and of course Hasbro. Ayan. So also, this is organized by also, tumulong sa amin, is 13 South. Alright? So, we'll see you guys later. Okay? Bye-bye, guys!
So we'd like to invite all the kids to please sit down. We have chairs for you right here. Tapos we have activities for you. You can color, you can do some artwork with PLAYDOH, of course. And mamaya we're going to be introducing, of course, our favorite Dodos. And not only that, today you might learn your first ever masterpiece. Because we're going to be showing a lot of videos for you where you guys can see and learn a lot of artwork made of PLAYDOH. Yeah. Sino dito may PLAYDOH na sa bahay? Who's got PLAYDOH at home? You got PLAYDOH at home? Great! What's your favorite color of PLAYDOH? Pink! Amazing! What about you? What's your favorite color of PLAYDOH? Blue! Yeah, very good. So we have all the colors here. And speaking of colors, you're going to be meeting all of our Dodos. The green Dodo, blue Dodo, red Dodo, and what's the other one? The red. I always forget. Okay, and by the way, this is leg 2. Yeah, last time we were at SM North EDSA. Ngayon, nandito na kami sa Mall of Asia. Yeah, we're very happy to be here. I want you guys to raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Shake, 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 shake. Come on, shake, 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 shake. What about you kids? So you guys are ready. Your left hand, go. Shake, 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 shake your left hand, shake your left hand, shake your left hand. All right, both hands, go. And I want everybody to jump, 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 jump. And stop. Very good. All right, super energetic no kids out there. You guys can sit down now. Yeah. Pero, well, not you guys, but I want you guys to say thank you to the kids na nasa baba. Say thank you to them. Say thank you. Yeah. The reason why I said that is because, syempre they gave way na, kayo muna yung pinaglaro nila. But later on, you guys can also play, okay? Alright, kasi we have another game. Alright, ready? Our first game is called Dodo Says. Wow, how do we play that? Now it's very easy. All you need to do is just follow what I say. Kaya lang, sometimes I will do things that is not what I said, okay? Okay, so yeah, if I say, for example, Dodo says, touch your head. Good. Your head. All right. Dodo says, touch your shoulder. Very good. All right. But here's the deal, okay? Sometimes I will say, touch your head, but I will be touching my head. I will be touching my knees. And if you copy me, you are out of the game. Okay? All right, ready? Stand up, stand up. Stand up. All right, ready? Okay, ready? Dodo says, touch your shoulder. Dodo says, dance. Dodo says, stop. Oh, very. Okay. All right. Ready? Next. Let's go. Dodo says, touch your knee. Touch your nose. Nose. Oh. And Dodo says, dance again. Jump. And stop. And touch your head. Oh. We have 2! Boy. Ako malapit na si championship round. Alright, we have 4. We're looking for yung best 2, ha? Best 2 natin. Okay. Alright, ready? Dance again, go! Keep dancing, keep dancing. And then touch your head. Whoa. Touch your knees. Touch your elbow. Oh! Bakit ikaw kasi di ka naman kasali? Bakit ba kasali ka? Ikaw na imbis na nag-check ka, gumagano ka rin. Okay. 3. Okay. Ready? Very good. Clap your hands up for the 3. We're looking for the best 2, huh? All right, ready? Let's dance again. Go! And stop! Dodo says, touch your head. Touch your knees. Touch your shoulder. Touch your elbow. Touch your knees. Touch your shoulder. Touch your knees. Your head. Oh, man. All right, good. Congratulations to our champions. All right. And that was our first episode for this afternoon. And we have great news for those who stayed and watched. You guys will have the first chance to take a picture with the Dodos! Emergency, I want you guys to stand up. Stand up now. Stand up, stand up, stand up. I want everybody to shake your hands like this. Wait. And jump. Alright, are you guys ready to join the games? Alright, so we're gonna be playing muna. Before we watch the episode, and then before we call back in our friends, alright, our Dodo friends. So, pag halimbawa sumali kayo ng games, ano yung bibigay ko sa inyo? Prizes! And if you guys, moms and dads, if you guys have Facebook, please check naman my Facebook account. It's Al Tocino, Tocino, the ulam, Al Tocino Events. Yan. Please check naman, please like my fan page naman. I will give you extra 27 points for Alright, please check naman my Facebook account. Yan. Come on, let's go, everybody, guys. Dance, go! Sabi ni baby, huwag kayo pong magulo. It's okay. Come on, let's go dance! Alright, kasi we need to move para medyo, may energize tayo. And stop! Okay, cool. I think you guys are ready. But before we play the games, I'd like you guys to meet our friends, of course, from Toy Kingdom! Yeah, very special participation. We have, okay. Alright. Yeah, these are our friends from Toy Kingdom. They're gonna be helping us out with the game. Very good. And today we're gonna play the trivia game. Alright. Everybody clap your hands, come on. And it's very easy. All you need to do is to answer the questions. I will give you questions. Tapos, you have to answer them. Alright? If you think the right answer is letter A, all you need to do is go to letter A. Okay? If you think your answer is letter B, go to letter B. And if you think your answer is the correct answer is letter C, go to letter C. Kaya lang, we will only require a certain number of participants. For example, we say we only need 10 kids per letter. So we will all be looking for 10 kids here, 10 kids there, and 10 kids for letter C. If you are the 11th kid, pag 11 ka, you will need to move to another letter. Okay? So you do not only need to be smart, but you also need to be fast today. Okay? And I think you will not have any problems with that. Okay? Question number 1. Play-Doh was originally created for what purpose? Kids' toy? B. Glue? Or C. Wallpaper cleaner? Ano kaya ang tama? Is it A, B, or C? Play-Doh was originally created for what purpose? Wait, hang on! Until I say go! Until I say go! Ready? Get set, go! Go where? Alright. A. Kids' toy. Is that correct? It is not correct. Sorry, A is not the correct answer. Hindi niya alam. Okay, B. Glue. But if this is correct, so meron na tayong automatic na for the next round. B. Glue. Is that correct? What do you think? It's not the correct answer! The correct answer is wallpaper cleaner! Letter C! Ayan po. Okay, question number 2. What was the original name of Play-Doh? Ayan na naman tayo sa original. Okay, what was the original name of Play-Doh? Is it A, Rainbow Modeling Compound? Napakahaba. Or is it letter B, Magic Molding Clay? Or is it letter C, Fundo? Ano kaya? Alright, we need how many kids here? We need 4. We need 4. Okay? Ready? Get set, go! Choose your letter! B, sabi nila, which is Magic Molding Clay. And that is, congratulations, you guys are staying put it. That That is not the correct answer. B is not the correct answer. Correct answer is letter A. So thank you very much. We have our champions.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart?
Okay, who wants to join the Bring Me game? Alright, there we go. I want you guys to stand up and get ready. And you need the help of your moms and your dads here. So, who wants to play the placemat? Yeah, you can use that to school. I need you to bring me. This is very important. We always remind you to bring this all the time. Your hand sanitizer or alcohol, go! I need you to look for my Facebook fan page at Tocino. Come on, look, Tocino events, come on, and then like it, and then show it to us. Come on, and then show it to me. Kapawat na like mo na yung page. Come on, go! Go! There you go! 1. There you go. Yeah, there you go. 2. There you go. Nilike niyo pa. Wala nang unlike ha. Baka may unlike niyo pa. There you go. 4. Yay! Look the same guy. Look the same there. Yan. Yan. My name is Tocino po and I do events hosting for birthday parties. Yan. Sino dito malapit na mag-birthday? Happy birthday. Alright. Happy birthday. Ikaw, happy birthday din sa'yo. Oh, sige. Alright. Yeah, I do hosting for birthday parties as well.
Hi guys, yan, good morning. It's 8:45 in the morning. Pero I have an event today sa Motivation. This day 2, leg 2. Pero before that, kailangan ko muna mag-weigh in. Kuha ng timbang kasi kailangan sukatin mo yung timbang ko for yung workout namin. Gutom na ako. I can't eat anything unless makapag-weigh in ako. So I will have to go head to the gym and alamin yung timbang ko for the day. Okay? Antok pa ako. Let's go.